What's up guys? Kobe here and welcome back to Gizmo Hub. So today we're gonna unbox and review the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. So just in case you're wondering why I'm reviewing this device in 2020, first of all, bands are becoming very popular, and also people are getting more concerned about their health and well-being during the lockdown period, and one of the cheapest options for the fitness band you can get is the Mi Band 4. So this band has been out for a while now, as it came in June 2019. And what I have here is a Chinese version of the Mi Band 4. There is also a global version, but the Chinese version also supports English and has other features like the NFC payment option and also the Zero AI assistant. It's available at $40 or below, which is a third of the Samsung Galaxy Fit. It's also available at Gizmo Hub at 200 Ghana cedis. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to check that out. So let's go ahead and jump right into the unboxing. So right from the box, you have a packaging of the Mi Band 4 itself and a charging dock. Also in the box, we have a manual in Chinese, since it's a Chinese version. So I'm gonna show you how it looks on your wrist. This product comes in black version, but you can get other colored and customized straps. I'll leave the link in the description below for you to check that out as well. So this band fits easily on the wrist because it is made of thermoplastic polyurethane, which is quite soft. So in terms of specs, the band packs a screen size of 0.95 inches, an AMOLED touchscreen with 120 by 240 pixels, a color depth of 24 bits. It has an adjustable brightness of up to 400 nits, which for a smart band I think is quite impressive for both use in indoors and outdoors. It has a 2.5D tempered glass with an anti-fingerprint coating finish, and it also has a single touch button to wake up and navigate backwards. So in terms of proof rating, the Mi Band 4 is waterproof up to 50-meter depth, so this can be used for swimming and showering. Step tracking is also effective on this band with the help of the 6 active trackers on the band, which is always on. Under the rear tracker, we have a heart rate sensor which sits directly on the skin and it's always on, so it can continuously record your heart rate when you are going about your day. In terms of connection, we have a Bluetooth 5.0 here for faster transfer speed and longer range between your phone and the band. So now let's get back to storage. In terms of storage, it has a 500 kilobytes of RAM, 16 megabyte storage, and in terms of battery life too, it has a 135 mAh battery which can last up to 20 days depending on how you use it, and a charging time from 0 to 100 in about 2 hours. When you get to compatibility, the Mi Band 4 is compatible with both Android and iOS, and with Android it supports Android 4.4 and above, and also for iOS it's iOS 9.0 and above. And talking of the parent, I'll quickly take you through how this works. All you need to do is go to your App Store, which is either Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and you download the Mi Fit app. Once inside, you need to create a profile and you have a section which says My Device. Then you add your Mi Band 4 from there. So next on the device, you can see your battery percentage, you can monitor your heart rate sensor, your fitness tracker, sleeping tracker, change watch faces and control everything that you want the band to do. Now in the app you have status, running and cycling section at the top of the band, and you can set up different goals about what you want to do. And under the band display section we have lots of online band displays to choose from. You can also create your custom watch face just as I have on mine. So back to your band screen, if you flip back to your home, you have your battery percentage, your date, time and number of steps as well. If you swipe down, you have status for checking your steps, distance, calories burnt and idle alerts. Next is the heart rate for checking your pulse, and next is the workout, which has 6 basic modes of workout such as running, walking, cycling, swimming, freestyle and treadmill. Also on the menu is the weather, which gives you a list of the next 4 days weather info. So the band displays the weather with the help of your phone's GPS location and the Bluetooth. So without the location, the weather wouldn't show on the band. Next is the notification menu for displaying notifications and messages on your band. You can choose what to display on the band by assigning them on the Mi Fit app at the app alert section. In the more section, we've got really great features there, such as DND, which is do not disturb. So the do not disturb kills off notification on your band for a period of time. You also got alarm, music, stopwatch timer, and find my device. The find my device is used for finding your phone, and it only works when your Bluetooth is on and your band is paired to the phone. And also you should be in the connection range for this to work. Next, under settings, we have a brightness for increasing or decreasing your brightness, and lock screen, timeout, reboot, and factory resets. So let's go back to your home. Swiping right on the home screen displays your music control. So if you have any music playing on your phone, you can control it directly using your Mi Band. And also this is very essential during workouts when you don't want to get distracted. So overall, I think Xiaomi has done a very good job with a full color display and also a higher screen resolution. The battery life and fitness tracking has also been improved on the Mi Band 4. So what do you like about the Mi Band 4, and what would you like to see improved on this one? And also, which other additional features would you like to see in the upcoming Mi Band 5? Let me know down in the comment section right here. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like below the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly hit on the subscribe button for more exciting videos on unboxing and tech. So as always, thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope to see you soon.